Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your mobile browser and logging into Facebook. Sign in with your usual account. Once done, avoid the auto prompt to install Messenger by selecting the browser option or tapping Not Now. If messages are hidden, make sure to request the desktop site from your browser menu. This forces the full interface where the messages icon appears. You're doing this because Messenger is an app overlay. Using the web interface lets you access direct messages without installing extra software. You now navigate the web interface to reach your inbox. Once you tap the messages icon or 9-dot menu, pick a conversation and type normally. The send and attach controls work in the browser, similar to the app. Make sure to allow any necessary permissions for file attachments when prompted by the browser. If you prefer, open messages in a new tab so you can keep Facebook open. This reduces accidental logouts. You do this because the web client preserves core features without the Messenger app. To finish, confirm messages send and notifications behave as expected. If something fails, log out and back in and clear your browser cache to reset session data. Once done, test sending a photo or emoji so you know attachments work. If the mobile interface still blocks features, switch to the desktop site or try a different browser with cookies enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: check message requests and archived threads before assuming messages are missing, because they're often filtered out of the main inbox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.